In just a few days, we're going to gather here in this beautiful auditorium to celebrate the greatest news in the history of mankind. He is risen. He is risen indeed. Christ is alive. We'd like to invite you to join us for the celebration of Christ's resurrection on April the 5th. We'll gather here early in the morning for a sunrise service at 7 a.m. and then worship at 11 o'clock and an evening of praise at 6:30. Resurrection power is not something that was just present in the first century. That same power is available to us today. The scripture says, the same Spirit that raised up Jesus from the dead will raise us up to walk in a new life. You're hungry for a new life, a fresh start, a new birth? You be here. We're looking forward to seeing you here at Faith Community Church on Resurrection Day.